Hi everyone, welcome back to Network Guru. Want to check your iPhone's warranty, authenticity or model details? You can so do it using the serial number. In this video I'll show you how to find and check your iPhone's serial number easily. Let's get started. Open settings on your iPhone, go to General, About, and here you can see a serial number on your iPhone. Tap in and tap copy. Open a web browser and go to check overage Apple.com. Paste your iPhone's serial number, enter the captcha code and click send. Apple will display your iPhone's warranty status, purchases data and super coverage. To check if your iPhone is genuine, match the serial number from settings with the one on the SIM tray or box. To check your iPhone's manufacturing details, visit third-party sites like S&D IP Info or IMEI24. And enter your serial number. To check for activate lock, go to iCloud.com/find and sync in to see if the device is linked to an Apple ID. Things to keep in mind: only use Apple's official website for warranty checks. If buying a second-hand iPhone, always verify the serial number and activation lock status. If your serial number is missing or doesn't match, the device may not be genuine. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.